Okay, friends, so for today's game, you're going to play a game of number bingo. What are you going to play? Number bingo. So let's prepare for our game first. You're going to need just a couple of things. You're going to need all your flashcards that you made a few weeks ago. So you're going to need your tally flashcards 0 through 10. You're going to need your sight word flashcards 0 through 10. You're also going to need your number sight words 0 through 10. And I hope you saved these. And if you didn't, you can easily just make these out of paper and a marker. And just write a number, a sight word, or a tally on each of these cards. So, since we are focusing on fluency level 9, 9 being our sight words 0 through 10, I suggest making another set of sight word flashcards 0 through 10. Especially if you notice that your Rocketeer needs extra practice reading those sight words. So Mr. Junior made another set right here in a different color just to make it a little bit more fun. So now I have all my cards and I'm going to mix them all up. So I'm just going to lay them out, mix them, mix them, mix them. Mix them, mix them, mix them. Mix them, mix them, mix them. I'm gonna have my tallies mixed up with my words and my numbers all mixed up. And then now I'm gonna put them all in a pile. So I'm gonna put these in a pile and I'm gonna show you how to set up your game. All right, so here is my pile of flashcards and now let's set up our game. Now I have to create a board of flashcards. So I'm gonna put down 3 rows of cards down, facing up. So my first row is going to be like this. 1, 2, 3. And then make another row of 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. And then another row down here. 1, 2, 3 cards. Now I have my board. I should have 3 rows of 3 cards. With the rest of your cards in your pile, you're just going to flip them down to the corner right here, right? And Mr. Junior might say deck, I might say hand. All those words just mean the pile that's in the corner right here. So let's now get ready to play our game of number bingo. So now let's play our game of number bingo. You're going to take your first card from your pile and flip it up. Now, I have to figure out what value this card represents. Now, I know it's a word because I see numbers and Now, to play our game of number bingo, this is what I do first. I'm going to grab the first card from my pile and flip it up. Ooh, I see a word here. I know it's a word because I see a couple of letters together. So I see the letters T, E, N. What word is T, E, N? What word is that? Ooh, the word is 10. Now, if I don't know the word, remember, you can use your number poster. I know I know T-E-N spells the word 10. Now I'm going to look on my board here and look for any card that represents the value of 10. No, none of these tallies. Maybe this number, a 1 and a 0 makes 10, 10, 10. So I find a match. Now I'm gonna leave the card here, but the card on my board, I'm just gonna flip it over because that tells me it found a match. Now I'm gonna keep doing this over and over again. All right, let's try it one more time. Oh, here's another sight word. Let's see. This word is spelled F-I-V-E. What value is spelled F-I-V-E? What word is spelled F-I-V-E? It's 5. So this card represents the value 5. Now let's look on our board. Do you see any other card facing up that represents the value 5? Look at each of the cards and make sure you know what value they represent. I don't see any. So we're just gonna keep going. Let's flip another card. That's another word. Ooh, I really need to know my sight words so I can play this game. Let's see, this word is spelled S-I-X. What word is spelled S-I-X? Do you know? It's the word 6. So this card represents the value 6. Do you see another card that represents the same value 6? Do you see any? Hey, it's another sight word spelled S-I-X. This is the word 6. So this card represents the value 6. So what do? I found a match. I flip it over. And again, I'm going to keep going. The objective or the goal of this game is to get 3 in a row. To get 3 in a row. So you have to find a row with 3 cards flipped over. So far, I have 2 in this group here, or in this row, that's flipped over. So if I can find another card that matches this value, then I could flip it over, and then I win. I get 3 in a row. And if you get 3 in a row, you can yell, bingo! But did I get 3 in a row yet? No, not yet. So I'm gonna keep going. This word is 9. Do I see 9 here? Oh, I see 9 tallies. So I'm gonna flip it over. Ooh, I need one more going this way. So the rows, the 3 in a row could be horizontal, meaning side to side. Side to side. The 3 in a row can be vertical, meaning up and down. The 3 in a row can also be diagonal, that means corner to corner. So they can go corner to corner or corner to corner. Okay. Ooh, what word is this? Z-E-R-O. What's the word? It's 0. Do I see another card that represents 0 here? Right here, this is the number 0. So I can flip it over. Oh! I got 3 in a row horizontally, side to side. So what do I yell? Bingo! I got 3 in a row. Nice job. Mr. Junie got bingo. Yay! So it looks like Mr. Junie won. And remember, the objective or the goal of this game is to get 3 cards in a row. You have to find 3 cards in a row. And you really need to know the different ways to represent the same value. Remember, values can be represented as a word. They can be represented as tallies. They can be represented as numbers. So this is how you play number bingo. But Mr. Junie, that was too easy peasy. We finished the game in like 2 minutes. I want something more challenging, please. Well, friends, if this was too easy for you, there are 3 different ways to make this game more challenging. Do you want to hear those ways? All right. So the first way to make this game more challenging to help you grow your brain even more is to play against another family member. You can play against your mom and dad, you can play against your grandma or grandpa, or another family member in your home. So again, the first way to make it more challenging is to play against another family member. The second way to make this game even more challenging is if you add your teen numbers. If you add your teen numbers. So you can have your numbers, your teen numbers 11 through 20. You can have tallies 11 through 20. You can also have your sight words 11 through 20. That's one way to make it extra challenging. But the third way to make this even more challenging is like a next level bingo. This next level bingo is called 1-up bingo. Everyone say 1-up bingo. And this is how you play. So the setup is the same. You're gonna have 3 rows of 3 cards each. And then when you also have your pile here in the corner. And when you flip up your card, you always have to count 1 up. So if this number is 6, count up 1. So what's 1 more than 6? 6, count 1 more, add 1 more, 7. So now you have to find a card that represents the value of 7. Do you see one here? It's right here, the number 7. So I'm gonna flip this down. Let's try it again. here is another number. What number is this? It's 1. But am I looking for another card that represents the value 1? No, I have to count up first. So if I count up, what's 1 more than 1? 1, what's 1 more? It's 2. So I'm looking for a card that represents the value 2. Here's the number 2, so what do? Flip it over. Ooh, look. I almost have 3 in a row diagonally from corner to corner. So I just need to find another, I need to find a 3. So let's see. What do I have here? 5, so count up. 5 and 1 more makes 6. And I see the tally here, 5 and 1 more makes 6. So I can flip it up. I almost got 3 in a row here. Let's see. What number is this? 9 counts up. 9. Add 1 more. 10. Do I see 10 here? No, I don't see 10. Let's do the next one. 3. This is the word 3. 3 and counts up 1. 3, 4. I'm looking for a value 4. Oh, here and here. So you can choose which one you want. Let's go this one. This one. This one. Okay, let's see. Next one. This word is the word 2. T-W-O is the word 2. But I'm not looking for the value 2. Count up. So 2, what's 1 more? Is 3. Do I see any cards that represent the value 3? Right here. I see 3 tallies. So I'm going to flip it over. 1, 2, 3. I got 3 in a row diagonally. So what do you yell? Bingo! Yeah, I got it. I win. So that's another way to make this game extra challenging is if you play the game of 1 up bingo. Again, this is called 1 up bingo. Good luck, everyone, and have lots of fun. Thank you for watching today's daily math activity and math meeting. Make sure to share your pictures and your videos in the comments of this Facebook post. And remember, tomorrow is another Spirit Day, and it's Beach Day. What's tomorrow? It's Beach Day, so you can dress up like you're going to the beach. So you can wear your board shorts, you can wear a big sun hat, you could put suntan lotion on your nose, you can dress up like you're going to the beach. But are you really going to the beach? No, we're just pretending, all right? So just dress like you're going to the beach, all right? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow for another daily math activity. Peace out!